Hi.
Yeah, hi.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Okay, well, I'm Jacko, so I'm gonna be your tutor for tonight. So, how would you like me to call you? But great to know that you're doing fine. So, how's your day so far?
Tiring.
Are you tired?
Yeah.
Well, thank you, by the way, for booking me tonight, even if you are tired. Okay. Thank you for taking time. Okay. And then, yeah, okay, can you hear and see me clearly just to check?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's clear. And well, since this is our first time to have a lesson, let's have like a short self-introduction to get to know each other better. Is that okay?
Okay.
All right. Well, yeah, again, I'm Jacko. I'm from Davao City, Philippines. And then I like Japanese food. I like sushi, takoyaki, sashimi, ramen, soba. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I like Japanese food, okay? Because I really, really like the taste of the Japanese food. Okay. Wow, that's a great exercise. Okay. All right. Well, uh, what about you? Anything you can share about yourself? All right. Thank you, by the way, for your very generous introduction. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a high five. High five in the camera. One, two, three. Oh, okay. Wow. Okay, very good. Okay, what's that? Okay. Wow. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, you didn't hit me. I'm sorry. Oh, oh. Okay. Oh, I got one there. Okay. Wow, it hurts. That's nice. All right. Well, this time, let's move to our lesson. Okay.
Okay.
So this time we will be doing a grammar lesson. Okay, so grammar in use, um, entitled "See Somebody Do" or "See Somebody Doing." Okay, this is actually infinitive and gerund. Are you familiar with this?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay, so you will not be having a hard time this time. Okay. Now, this is our exercise. Okay, exercise number one. So look at, the exercise. This is see somebody do and see somebody doing. Okay. So
Okay.
let's study this example situation here. All right. So we have Tom got into his car and drove away. You saw this. You can say, I saw Tom get into his car and drive away. Okay? In this structure, we use get, drive, do, etc. Okay? Not
Okay.
to get, to drive, to do. Okay?
No,
Somebody.
but like driving, get out, and moonwalking. So
Okay. Wow, that's nice. Okay. Do you know how to do the moonwalk? Ah, okay. So you must be a great dancer.
what?
Do you
No,
like,
I'm not.
yeah, do you like Michael Jackson?
No, I know the word. I only know the word.
Ah, okay. How did you learn? How did you learn the moonwalk?
Just walk back, right?
Yeah, I tried moonwalk before, but I cannot really get it because there's like a slow motion of your legs, right? Then when you travel, okay, I don't know. I don't know how Michael Jackson, um, does it. Okay, so and we have here somebody did something plus I saw this, so I saw somebody do something. It's very easy, right? You can do the example. How do you add moonwalk in the sentence?
Somebody did moonwalk. I
Okay.
saw somebody do moonwalk.
Okay. Wow. Give you a high five then, okay, for that. One, two, three, go. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, it's not a high five. Okay. Oh, it's getting slower. Okay. Yeah. Tsk.
Ha, I
Oh,
win.
you
I win. I
okay.
win.
It's
Win.
like
I win.
okay. Okay, all right, nice one there. Okay, well, this time let's move to letter B. Okay, so
Okay.
again, study this example situation. Okay, so I don't know what will you think next after moonwalk. Okay, so let's see. What do you have there? So here we go. Yesterday you saw Kate. Okay, she was waiting for a bus. You can say, I saw Kate waiting for a bus. Okay, and in this structure we use ing, waiting, doing, etc. Okay, so we have somebody was doing something plus I saw this. So I saw somebody doing something. Okay,
Okay.
do you have anything to add? The moonwalk after the moonwalk?
I s- I think in the future, like
Okay.
2 seconds later, uh, there's gonna be an
Wow.
accident near this.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's it. Okay, now let's move to letter C. Okay?
Okay.
So let's study the difference in meaning between the two structures. Okay? Like, I saw him do something, he did something, some simple past, and I saw this. I saw the complete action from beginning to end. Okay? So we have he fell off the wall. I saw this. Wow, it hurts. Okay? He fell off. He
Huh.
fell. I saw this. I saw him fall off the wall. Okay? Well,
I saw him falling off the
where? The window?
ceiling.
What will happen if you will fall from the ceiling? Broken legs? Broken
Oh,
bones?
uh,
Broken everything, right?
like do this and
Okay. Well, that's nice. At least you know how to fall from ceiling. Okay, so that you will not get hurt, right? Sometimes you really need to know how to fall. Okay. Yeah, if you know how to fall, then you will not get hurt. Okay?
okay.
So practice falling. Alright. Now we have the accident. Did you see it? Did you see the accident happen? Okay, so
No.
okay. Now let's continue. Okay. I
Okay.
saw him doing something. That's he was doing something past continuous, and I saw this. Okay, and I saw him when he was in the middle of doing it. So this does not mean that I saw the complete action. Okay, we have here he was talking along. I mean, he was moonwalking along the street. Okay,
Yeah.
and then I saw this when I drove past in my car, and then you say I saw him moonwalking along the street. I'm really imagining, somebody is moonwalking while crossing
Oh.
the pedestrian lane. How is that possible?
Hello.
Okay.
Okay.
And then sometimes the difference is not important and you can use either form, okay? Like, I've never seen her dance. I've never seen her dancing. Okay?
Yeah.
Do the moonwalk. Okay? I've never seen her do the moonwalk. Wow, okay. Now we use this structure with see and hear and a number of other verbs. Okay, so I didn't hear you come in. Okay, you came in and then I didn't hear this. Okay? And then also Liz suddenly felt somebody touch her on the shoulder. Right? Can you read the other examples?
Liz suddenly felt somebody touching her on the shoulders.
Yeah, what about the next one?
Did you notice anyone go out?
I didn't notice. I see dead people. Now we're going on a scary movie, right? Okay. Now
I
let's
could
yeah.
hear it.
Yeah, just continue reading.
Okay. The missing children were last seen playing near the river.
Okay.
Listen to the birds singing. Nope.
Yeah, please continue. My my precious. Have you watched that movie? The Lord of the Rings. What? What's next
I
now?
found Sue in my room reading my letters.
Found Sue. Okay, found Sue in my room reading my letters. Okay. So this time, let's practice. Okay.
Okay.
So let's do exercise number two. Okay. So we have, just complete the answers to the questions we have here. What about number one? Okay. So did anybody go out? I don't think so. I didn't see.
Anyone go out?
Or
Did anyone go
or
out?
anybody go out?
Yeah.
Anyone or anybody go out? Okay, number two. Has Sarah arrived yet? Yes, I
Yes.
think I
I
heard
think
her.
I heard her
Ah?
shriek at opening the door.
Okay. Or you can say arrive, okay? Yes, I think I heard her opening the door or I heard her arrive. Okay. Okay, now how do you know I took the money? I know because I saw you.
Taking the money.
Okay. Wow, that's a
I
good, yeah, it's an,
for
yeah,
a year.
yeah. Okay. All right. Now, number four, okay? Did the doorbell ring? I don't think so. I didn't hear it. It?
Raining. No, ringing.
I don't hear it. Ring?
Rain.
Okay.
Rain.
Very good. Now let's talk about number five. Can Tom play the piano? I've never heard.
Tom playing the piano.
Okay. Or you can also say, use the pronoun him. I've never heard him play, or I never heard him playing. Okay. Now,
Okay.
let's move to number six. Did I lock the door when I went out? Yes, I saw. I saw
Lock.
you.
You locking the door.
Okay. Or you saw. You can use also it, or you can say, yes, I saw you lock it, or yes, I saw you do it. Okay. Number seven. We're on number seven now, right? Okay. So I'm lost. Now, how did the woman fall? I don't know.
I
I
don't
didn't see.
her falling.
Okay. Or you can also say, I don't know, I didn't see her fall, right?
Oh,
Okay. Yeah, okay. Now let's do a high five for a very great lesson to Kun. And one, two, three, go. Oh, I had scissors. Okay, it's a tie. Okay. Well, we don't have much time. All right. Well, you're a very nice kid. Okay. There's so much positivity and there's so much energy in you. Okay. So that's a good, trait, what to use in learning English. Not only English, but, learning about things in life. Okay. So continue having that kind of personality. All right. And continue speaking the language, okay, every day. All right, like if you don't have the opportunity to speak the language, just think the language instead, like you tell a story to yourself. Okay, but not
okay.
in public. Okay, just at the comfort of your own home, not in public, because people might think you're crazy if you're telling a story to yourself, right? Okay.
Well, that's amazing.
Yeah, like especially if you have two characters in the story, okay? So do it at the comfort of your own home, okay?
Okay.
Well, I enjoyed tonight and looking forward to seeing more of you doing the moonwalk, okay? Yes, like that. Yeah, okay. All right. Well, I don't want to say this, but bye for now and enjoy the rest of your night. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye
Bye.
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 Bye bye. Yes, yes. Bye bye.
Bye.